Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a animal tour. I have, er, like one. I think I have about 6 animals. Most of them are family, but 2 of them are mine, and all of them are very sweet and very cute. So yeah, and our house is very small, so I'm surprised we even have 4. Yeah. So first, starting off with the cats. Our first cat is Meatloaf. It's a very weird name for a cat, but yeah. This is Meatloaf. 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 This is Meatloaf. She's very, very sweet, and I love her. She can be a little mean to our other cat, but she's just a big baby, aren't you? Okay. Next cat is Lemmy. This is Lemmy. Lemmy. Yes, Lemmy. Oh, you woke me up. You're evil. Lemmy, Lemmy. Lemmy, Lemmy. This is Lemmy. She's a very sweet cat. She's a baby cat. Oh, look how cute she is. She's so cute. Yes. Now moving on to the dogs. I'm gonna start out with our smallest dog, Emma. Roo. Emma? Oh, there you are. There you are. Okay, this is Emma. She's very, very cute. Emmy. Hi. She's very cute. Oh, yes, I know. She's a Carolina dog mix, and she's about 50 to 60 pounds. She's a small baby compared to our other dog. He's just a big pup. He's adorable though. This is Cicero. Cicero is a Cane Corso or a Italian Mastiff. He's so sweet. I love him. Look at him. He's huge and muscular and adorable. Everything you would want in a pup. Ow, Emma. I'm sorry. And this is Cicero. Next, for probably the smallest animals in the house are If you watch my channel, you'll probably know them. But oh God, I need to clean their cage. My rats. I'm gonna show you them, but please ignore all the dirty stuff. They're my rats, Luna and Cleo. Oh yes, baby, it's okay. Yes, it's okay. This is Cleo. She's a very sweet girl. She knows. Oh yes. You want to go back? Okay. And oh no, Luna. This is a baby Luna. She's a very sweet girl. It's okay, baby. It's okay. A lot of people. Oh no. A lot of people think because we're like, oh, ow. I used to have a snake, but I had him for like 8 months. I took care of him until my Meatloaf, you know Meatloaf, the first cat I showed you, got into his cage and he escaped, sadly. Yes, but if I would have probably still got my rats, most likely, but I would just have a snake and 2 rats. He was a corn snake. His name was Romeo. He was a very sweet baby. And yeah, that's not going to be all for today's video. I'm also going to be doing a house tour. right now you probably have no idea what I'm doing with my phone, but it's worth it, especially for my arms, because I've been doing a couple videos, and yeah, okay, that's my selfie stick. Remember when selfie sticks were like the thing? Wait. And, oh gosh, yeah, so in my next video I'm going to be doing a room tour and just a regular house tour. Probably not going to be showing you a couple of the rooms. Actually, there's only 2. I'm only going to be actually 3, including the living room. Probably only going to be showing you 1 room, and that's my room. So yeah, bye.